You want to hear some really good news? Interactive Brokers now supports fractional shares on CSPX now. This is incredible because with CSPX being priced at $480, you will only be able to invest in it if you have this much money. Something that not everyone may have, especially people who have just started working or Malaysians where one share of CSPX already costs like 2,239 ringgit to buy. But because CSPX now supports fractional shares, you can buy as little as 0.0001 shares or $1 worth of CSPX. And that opens up a whole new world of investing. So, in this video, I will show you a quick step-by-step guide on how to use interactive brokers to buy CSPX, starting from enabling fractional shares, funding the account, converting the currency, buying the stock, all the way to selling the stock and withdrawing the money back into your account. Then at the end, I will also be sharing one bonus tip for using interactive brokers. Sounds good? Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you will need to do is enable fractional shares trading feature. To do that, at the top, search for Trade in Fractions, then make sure All Global is selected. Continue, and now you are ready to trade fractional shares with CSPX. Next, you will need to fund the account with some money. So in IBKR, click on Transfer and Pay, then Transfer Funds. Click Make a Deposit, then select the currency you want to deposit, for example, SGD. Then at the bank transfer section, click Get Instructions. For the sending institution, just enter the name of the bank which you are sending from. For example, DBS Bank. Fill in your account number, then enter the deposit amount. I will just try with 100 SGD. Once you are done, click Get Transfer Instructions to see your bank transfer instructions. Next, head over to your bank account. I'm using DBS Bank, so I'll just show you how to do it here. At the top, mouse over transfer. Then, depending on which bank you will need to transfer to, you will need to choose different options. In my case, the bank that I will need to transfer to is DBS Bank. So, I will just choose Add New DBS or POSB recipient. But if you are using other versions of interactive brokers, it may show Citibank NA. In that case, you will need to choose two other bank account first. Next, for the recipient's name, type in Interactive Brokers. For account number, head back to IBKR, look for the account number, copy it, head back to DBS, then paste it in. Click Next, then Submit. Once you are done, mouse over to Transfer, click to other DBS or POSB accounts. Choose Interactive Brokers, choose the accounts that you are sending from, then enter the amount. Since I entered 100 SGD just now, I will enter 100 SGD here. As for comments for recipients, head over to Interactive Brokers, look for your IBKR's account number. It should start with U and has 8 numbers. Copy it, head back, paste it in, then click Next. Check everything is correct, then submit. Now, you will just have to wait for the funds to arrive at Interactive Brokers. Typically, it will arrive within 1 day. Once your funds have arrived, you will receive an email that tells you that the funds have arrived. Next, because CSPX is in USD, you will need to convert your SGD to USD. To do that, go to Trade, Convert Currency, then you want to convert SGD into USD. Here's a tip. Even though IBKR charges a currency conversion fee, you don't have to cater for it. So, you can see that if I convert everything, I won't end up with a negative balance. But also, because there's a minimum currency conversion fee, try not to convert a bit here, a bit there, because the fees will add up over time. Alright, we are now ready to buy CSPX. To do that, at the top, just search for CSPX, then Stock. Click on the Buy button. Here, you can choose to specify the quantity by the number of shares or by US dollars. Remember, you can buy as little as 0.0001 shares or a minimum of $1. Let's try to buy $75 worth of stock. There are a few order types that you can choose from, but I will just explain the two most used order types, limit order and market order. For limit order, you can specify the price that you want to buy the stock at. For example, $470. So if the stock drops to this price, the order will get matched and you will get your stock. But try not to lowball it too much, yeah? Because if the price is set too low, you might never get matched. As for market order, you will just buy the stock at whatever is the current market price. For example, if CSPX is at $480, you buy the stock at $480. So just choose whichever order type you prefer. For time in force, if you choose good till cancel, this order will be around until either it gets filled or till you cancel it. At the opening means this order will be created at the beginning of the trading day. If it cannot be executed at the opening of the trading day, the order will be cancelled. And finally, for day, the order will only be around for today. If it doesn't get filled by today, it will be cancelled. Personally, I prefer day as I don't like surprises. Finally, you can just enable trading outside regular trading hours. Once you are done, click preview and you will receive some reminders about your trade. Just click accept all the way. If you want to check your trades, you can go to trade, order and trades where you will see whether the trade has been filled or not. Next, if you want to sell a stock, the steps are exactly the same as buying the stock. But this time, you click sell. Remember, it's sell, don't blah go click buy. Later you end up with more stocks than you know. Or another way is look for your stock in your portfolio. Then at the right hand side, you will see 3 dots. Click on it, then click close. Then just proceed to sell the stock. Finally, if you want to withdraw SGD back to your bank account, you first need to convert the currency from USD back to SGD. But there's also something important to take note. If you had just sold your stock or just converted your currency, you won't be able to withdraw the money immediately because it will take 2 business days for the money to be settled. To withdraw the money, go to transfer and pay, transfer funds, make a withdrawal, then choose SGD, choose bank wire. Also, take note that you only get 1 free withdrawal per month. So don't anyhow withdraw every other day. Later you'll get slapped with a fee, then you know. For where will the funds be deposited? Choose bank. Choose your bank country, enter in your bank account number. Click to locate your bank, then just use Google to find your bank's SWIFT code. For example, DBS SWIFT code. Copy the SWIFT code, paste it in, click search, then choose your bank. Give the account a nickname, for example, DBS Bank. Make sure the account holder name is correct. Then click Save Bank Information. Enter in your username and password to confirm. Click on Transfer and Pay again. Transfer funds, make a withdrawal. Choose the account that you have added just now. Enter in the amount that you want to withdraw. Then create withdrawal. Make sure everything is alright. Then enter in your username and password to confirm. Click Continue and your funds will arrive by the next day. So that was a super quick tutorial on how to use IBKR to buy and sell CSPX. And now, here's a bonus tip that you should know of. So, because CSPX now supports fractional shares, you can now also do recurring investment on it. So, you can set up IBKR to periodically invest in CSPX every day all the way to every year. But just take note that for recurring investment, IBKR will be using fixed pricing, which has a minimum of $1. This is more expensive than tiered pricing, which only has a minimum of 35 cents. For a full guide on how to set up recurring investments, you can check out my video here where I show you how to set up recurring funds transfer to IBKR all the way to setting up recurring investments. Anyway, that's all for this video. Hopefully, you found it useful. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.